शिक्षण संस्कार आणि गुणवत्तेचे मंदिर
म्हणजेच विद्या भारती सेमी इंग्लिश स्कूल खुदनापूर कवटापाटी तालुका वसमत जिल्हा हिंगोली विद्यार्थ्यांच्या सर्वांगीण विकासासाठी कटिबद्ध असलेली एकमेव शाळा.
We arrange science exhibition to every year on the occasion of C.V. Raman birth anniversary to develop the knowledge of science. विज्ञानाच्या युगात मुलं स्पर्धात्मक एक्झाम मध्ये टिकावे व त्यांच्या बुद्धीचा विकास होण्यासाठी विज्ञानाचे प्रदर्शन सुद्धा भरवण्यात येते व वेगवेगळे प्रयोग मानले जातात.
Hi, I am Kalyani. I am in UKG class. I can make spelling of A to Z in English. I can show all body parts. I can do 2-digit addition and 1-digit subtraction easily. I can say table from 1 to 10. Hi, I am Kartiki Prakash Sarang. I am in 4th standard. I can do 3-digit addition and 2-digit subtraction and also 2-digit multiplication. I can make spelling of any Marathi name or words. I can read Marathi and English fluently. Handwriting, English handwriting every day in 4 lines properly.
Special preparation for competitive exams like Shreya, PTS, MTS, RTS, Navodaya and scholarship.
We got many prizes in many cultural programs like state level dance competition, science exhibition, debate competition also. Thank you. शाळा सुंदर शाळा, माझी शाळा उपक्रमशील शाळा, माझी शाळा निसर्गरम्य शाळा. धन्यवाद. Teachers of our school, computer based active teaching method, organizing parents meeting everyone, conducting weekly test on every Saturday. Thank you.
Though our school is in rural area, our teachers use their best performance for our students' all-round development. That's why, hurry up, dear parents, and confirm your child's admission in our Vidya Bharati school. Thank you.